chairperson and vice chairperson, also our rapporteur, were very much organized. They took note of who wanted to be recognized, and they gave equal chances. I personally believe that of all the online MU events I've attended, this was one of the best organized MU events.
Yeah, and we discussed about various relevant topics, and we didn't just talk about the crises at hand, but also like international relationships between countries. I think that's mostly overlooked in my other committees that I've attended, and overall it was very productive. We had some great discussions, and we went to the more unconventional side, and yeah, I think it was very efficient.
What is the funniest argument you heard till now?
China should take the blame for COVID-19 because they generated viruses out of nowhere.
And India was like, let's not discuss about Jammu and Kashmir because it's an internal matter. And China was like, let's not discuss about Tibet and Hong Kong because it's an internal matter. So if like we really follow them, then we won't really have any other committee than any other region than Balochistan to discuss about.
Mrs. MUN, which means the one who's well dressed and everything.
That wasn't wearing pajamas. Each of us was just wearing pajamas underneath like the formal shirt.
I think that has to go to our chairperson because I believe she was the only one dressed up in a proper salwar and she had all her like shawl and everything.
Chair was the only person dressed in formals actually.
Our chair member was the only one wearing Indian formals right now.
Yeah, it was the chair. They were all carrying.
The blabbermouth.
Oh, that has to
China.
That has to be China.
Mr. Amit Shah.
I believe it was UK for us.
I believe it was Germany.
With the Sleeping Beauty.
Denmark. Didn't say anything throughout the whole committee.
Denmark did not speak at all.
It was just Turkey who didn't speak. I think Turkey spoke, but not much.
Turkey didn't speak at all. They were not even sure if it was a she.
Yeah, I don't know. We didn't even see her face or his face or anything.
In our case, there was no Sleeping Beauty. I'm so happy that everybody was so energized and energetic that they used to, alligate each other very properly. So there was no Sleeping Beauty at all.
The one with the poor connection.
That has to be the delegate of China.
Exactly, every 5
Delegate
seconds.
of Pakistan.
He used to get disconnected while giving speeches.
Every 5 seconds. We had to write our inputs in the chat box for him.
Who do you think is the most annoying EV member in your committee?
The members were really very good. I mean, for the kind of mess we were creating, they were pretty
Honestly,
okay.
yeah, they managed to put up with that. We don't even have like
I think they were very mature. Yeah, because when we were fighting like madmen, they just used to mute themselves and they used to be out of the scene. They used to give us 10 minutes and then they used to come back.
They would actually let us say the randomest stuff in the committee. They would be okay with it. So I don't even think we have the tiniest bit of obligation to say.
But our rapporteur, she was on fire. Every single comment, she was on fire. I loved it.
If you could ask one delegate to go with you to the gala, if there was one, who would it be?
I'd say China. Yeah, I think China.
I'd say delegate of Sweden.
I get a Russia in my committee is in college or he's 17 or something, which is a
I
huge
hope the
issue.
China guy is elder than me, but I mean, I had a good conversation with him, so he seems to be a nice guy.
There were barely any males in our committee. There were like 3 males in our committee. One of them was barely responding, and the other other 2 that did respond, one of them roasted the entire committee, and the other one was gone halfway because of internet connectivity issues.
It was nice meeting you all. Thank you so much for your help.
Yes, thank you for having us.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
MGD MUN for me was moment of thrill, excitement, sometimes nervousness, and lots of planning for putting the things together to bring them into a final shape. When you have encouraging leaders and a supportive team, everything goes well, and the output is MGD MUN 2020 on a virtual platform in this new normal scenario. I wish all the delegates all the very best for their future endeavors. May you achieve many more accolades in your future life. All the best. Thank you very much.
One misconception. Everyone's like, yeah, China invented Corona. China invented it. Not even discovered, invented straight up.
Exactly.